All right, fourth graders, so it is time for another activity. We're going to continue to explore refraction. This is going to be a fun lesson, so I hope you're ready. So again, for this activity, you will need a plastic cup filled with water. You do not need to fill it all the way. As you can see, I have mine about a third of the way filled. You will need to get a piece of paper. I have ripped it, it's about this big. Please draw an arrow. Draw an arrow. Have it facing one direction. Okay, so once you've done that, again, this is an asynchronous activity. Means you can pause and you can press play whenever you want because of technology. All right, so this is what you're going to need to do. With your plastic cup that has some water in it, again, not all the way filled, you're going to take your arrow and see, can you get this arrow to change direction without orienting your paper in a new direction? Can you get this piece of paper, arrow to be facing in a different direction? Here is a hint. You might have to use your water to get it to change direction. Go ahead and explore. Go ahead and pause this video and then come back. And just like that, here we are again because you paused. Hopefully, many of you were able to get your arrow to point in a different direction using your cup of water. If not, this is where we're going to talk as a class. What did you have to do in order to get your arrow to be facing in the opposite direction? Okay? So we're going to pause, have a discussion with your classmates. When you're done with the discussion, please resume this video. And we're back. All right, so this is what I was able to see. I'm going to come a little bit closer for you. So we're going to have our cup of water. Our arrow is facing to the right. It's facing this way. This way. Here we go. Hold up your cup. Oh my gosh, it's still the same direction. Can you see that? But as I move it back, what? Now it's facing this way? But when I do that, magic. What? What? Boom. Boop, 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 boop. But here's my question that I want you to discuss. Why did that happen? Why is your arrow facing a different direction? Because you didn't change it. We're still facing this way, but when you put the water, the lens in it, it's this way. What's up with that? So the water acts as a lens when the drawing is closer. When it's closer to the water, when it's pretty literally right up against it, it just magnifies it, which means it makes it look larger. But as you move your paper slowly farther away, it reverses, it flips the direction. Okay, it looks like it's reversed. So we know that when light travels from one medium to another, it bends or reflects, right? We explored that with the popsicle stick, right? When light travels from one medium, remember a medium is a substance through which something travels through. So when we have two different mediums, right? We have light is traveling through. If I'm holding this up, I'm going to have to hold it. Light is traveling through. First, you see it through the air. There is air between the camera and this glass. Then it travels through another medium, which is the plastic cup itself. Then it travels through the water, which is inside the plastic cup. So we have three mediums already. But then in order for us to see this, it has to come back through the plastic cup and then back through the air that's in the gap between here. So we have light traveling through three different mediums, but it can go through different mediums. It goes through air, through plastic, through water, through plastic, through air. All right, and then once that light eventually hits the arrow, it causes it to refract, because we know that light travels through mediums at different speeds. So it travels through the air at a certain speed, but then once it hits the plastic cup, it starts to slow down and it travels at a slower speed. But then it moves through the water, a different medium, and it starts to slow down. So through the process of refraction, the phenomena of refraction, this arrow looks like it's facing a different direction. Okay? So here is your challenge, and I think you are going to enjoy this. You're going to still need your cup of water. You will need a piece of paper. So maybe just take a piece of paper from your science notebook, rip it out. Okay? So we know that through refraction, that objects can appear reversed. So now I want you to write a secret message. There is one guideline. It has to be at least one sentence. This could take a little bit. It's going to require some determination. All right, you're going to have to write a secret message backwards. And then you're going to give it to someone, and using their cup as their decoder, they're going to have to hold it up and have the words be flipped or reversed so that they can read it. Okay, this is going to be fun. All right, so again, you're using your pen, a piece of paper, and you're going to write a secret message. It has to be at least a sentence long, and it can't just be, hi there. It has to be, I'm going to give you 8 different words have to be in this message. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do multiple sentences, but you have to write a secret message that someone has to then use their water as a tool to get the light to refract so that they can read the message. That is going to be your task for the rest of class. All right, can you get someone to read your message? Here is a hint. I had to try it. So this bottom one, this bottom code didn't work. So I had to go here. What are these words? But when you refract them, you can see the message better. I'm trying to. It says one day. There we go, day 1. All right, so you are going to have to use your water, your message, and your pen to write a secret code. Good luck, 4th graders. I believe in you. I miss you.